Hi, I'm Tom and welcome to Alley Picked. This is my brand new but very old paper towel dispenser in my new bathroom in my new retirement workshop. Normally I start my videos at the beginning of a project and then show you what it looks like at the end, but today I'm showing you what it looks like now. I'll play the video backwards until I get to the beginning, which will be the end.
What?
Anyway, you won't believe what this started out as. As I run this video in reverse, you can see how I got to this point. A box of 3,000 paper towels cost me $30 on Amazon. That's a penny a piece. I drilled 2 mounting holes on the back. I gave it a couple coats of polyurethane inside and out. For assembling the pieces together, I used some glue and some trim screws. I love to use trim screws because the heads are very small and hardly visible. I reuse all of the old hardware. The hardware came out really nice with just a little buffing on my wire wheel. I didn't want to paint the paper towel dispenser inside and out, so I used a dark walnut stain. I thinned out this oil-based stain using some mineral spirits. This is so the stain isn't so dark. The only parts that I painted were the inside walls and the bottom. I used a white primer followed by a black paint. I did a test fit to make sure that my idea would even work. I wasn't sure how big to cut the opening for the paper towels. I've never made one before. So I cut a sample in a scrap piece of wood as a test. In the end, I could have made the opening slightly longer. I made a rough cut with my jigsaw and then evened out all of those rough cuts with my oscillating sander. In case you're ever wondering where I get my project ideas from, this is a perfect example. I find something that looks interesting that I really don't need, but it's cheap, like this cabinet for $5. Or sometimes I find free stuff in the alley. I keep these items around in storage, and then when I find something I need, like this paper towel holder, I look through my stash or stock room for something that's usable as a starting point. That's the great thing about wood. It can easily become something else with just a little creativity and time. Our films over snaps and laughter, if you knows it's him. This is what my paper towel dispenser was made from. I believe that this is a very old nightstand. Now, I say old because the hardware on here, I've seen the same type of hardware used on cabinets from the early 1900s. Now, I bought this at a garage sale for only $5. I could have restored it and made this thing look amazing, but it still would have been a table or a nightstand, which is kind of boring and not really big enough to be very useful. But now, I have a very useful and unique paper towel dispenser.
Upcycled old furniture, gasket turned into a garbage can, barn wood mirror on the hallway wall. bathroom stall.